Hi, this is Gareth from Port Monkeys, and we are on the Carnival Luminosa, and that was the Villa restaurant, the main dining room on the Carnival Luminosa. And we're at the aft stairwell and elevators, and we're going to take a quick look at decks 2 and 3. So this is Piano Bar 88. I guess this is the bar and that's the piano. Let's walk forward. There is a nightclub here that is not open during the day. And one day I was able to walk in here and get in it, but then they locked it. Art, bathrooms. We're coming to the Atrium. So this is called the Supernova Atrium. It's got a bar and her, and it's got this statue, and notice how they've rubbed their butt. Guest services, Carnival Adventures. Up there is the Pixels photo gallery. Here's the midship elevators. Walk back to the other side, and midship stairs, the art gallery, the warehouse arcade. It's pretty noisy. It's driving crazy. More bathrooms. The casino. Got a nice casino. All brand new machines. And, you know, the ship was remodeled. So smoking on that side, which is the biggest side. Not smoking over here. Smells like cigarettes, yes. Coming up to Ocean Plaza. Oh, Bonsai Sushi Express. You get a roll for $5 or $6. So this is Ocean Plaza. Got a huge dance floor, got a stage. Band plays there. Sometimes they do trivia here, things like that. Coming up to the Luminosa Theater, and the doors open, so we're going to be able to go in. The problem is music, like we just heard from Cher back there. But anyway, it's a nice theater. It's got poles, so it's got obstructions, but what I like about it is the couches. You can spread out. And you can walk along here. People, you know, don't really have to move their feet unless they're really stretched out, right? There's the stage, there's a balcony. The balcony is not very nice to sit in. It's got, you know, theater seats. And I don't know, it's too sharp an angle to enjoy, and there's a piece of glass in front of you. Anyway, Luminosa Theater. Let's go up to deck 3. You know what? Let's go up to deck 3 here. Alright. By the way, you can only enter the theater. Well, no, that's not right. There, see? Anyhow, let's go out. So, stairs, elevators, more artwork, ATM machines, a machine where you can get your, you know, your account. Limelight Lounge, Punchliner Comedy. This is cherry on top. You can buy candy. And this is Java Blue Cafe. You can buy coffee. It's not free. This is Shops of Galleria. So here there are 2 shops, one on that side, one on that side. Perfume, liquor, cigarettes, chips, you know, snacks, and over here, jewelry and clothes, purses. There's one other shop up forward a little bit. Well, I guess we're heading out. So there's one other shop aft, and that's the logo shop. Anyway, we're coming back to the Atrium. Here's the Pixels photo gallery. We're going to cross over because I want to show you that there's more kids club here, and there's a library. And it's full of books, but only right here, and games. Let's go around this way. Pixels photo gallery. And these panels open up, you know, and all your pictures, they print out all the pictures. You have to dig through them. There's no computers or facial recognition or anything like that. They do sell camera equipment, snorkeling equipment, frames, speakers. Imagine they have headphones. There's the Carnival store. So, you know, we're almost done. It's not a very big ship. It's only 90,000 tons. And Carnival just took it over, let's say, a few months ago. A little beat up. Alchemy bar. They carnivalized it, you know, made it a Carnival ship by changing the names of some things. That's your maitre d' Attila. And there we are, back to the restaurant. There, decks 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are exclusively passenger cabins, no laundromats, no self-serve laundry. And then for 9, 10, 11, 12, check out the upper decks video. So, Gareth saying, see you in the next port. And goodbye from the Carnival Luminosa.